Hey guys, it's Monsi, and if you already watched my previous video this week, you guys know that these nails are inspired by the Catwoman that Zoe Kravits played in the Batman. But I noticed in the movie that she only had the matte long stiletto design, so I was just like, let me make two different designs with glitter powder for the first time, and you guys can watch how I did it. So mostly it's gonna be a voiceover, maybe a little bit of ASMR as usual, so let's get into it. This is black glitter. I haven't used this at all. So this is really pretty. I'm excited to use it. I'm going to use this glitter in one top coat. You could use honestly any gel. So I'm going to create a French. This is where I started to just F it up. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. So next time I would use the same color, like whatever powder color I'm using, I'm going to use the same gel color. So I was using a black glitter powder. Next time I'm going to use black gel polish. This is because when it starts to fade, the glitter starts to come off due to like wear and tear of your daily routine. It's going to start showing whatever is underneath the nail. So it will be more seamless if you use the same gel color, right? But it was transparent, so it looked kind of weird on my nail, so don't do that. And then I started to clean up the powder, you know, instead of just cure it, because after I just realized my mistake while I was doing this nail design. So I did the French first, and then I did the bat and cat French in the other set. But don't do this, just cure it with whatever's on top. Like, so after we press the glitter into the gel, just cure it. Don't go cleaning it up, because then it just got messy and I just wasted so much alcohol, and the glitter was everywhere, and I mean everywhere. This French, right, basic, and this is gonna have the Catwoman thing, but I'm just brushing off the glitter so we can see my work. Seconds at all. It's gonna be glitter everywhere. So I'm using the brush to just like wipe off the glitter that's not gonna stick to the gel. This looks like Catwoman nails, like, you get it. This is the final look. Yes, it looks really cute. It wasn't even intentional, but some of the hands look more like bats and the other looks more like cats. Very small little detailing. I didn't even think about it. Anyways, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Honestly though, I could have done better with the glitter because I was so messy with it. Even as you can like get really up close, it's like eh. But it's not that bad for my first time with the glitter. So bye.